Hi, this is a guide on how to remove an Alfa Romeo 159 front wing. It's also the same on the Brera, and it's also the same on the driver's and the passenger side. First of all, you'll need to remove the front bumper. I've done that in another one of my guides. I will leave a link to that in the description of the video. You will also need to remove the front bumper mount, which is held on by 2 Torx screws and a single Phillips screw. This has already been removed. So I'm going to start by removing the 2 bolts along the lower part of the wing, and then the bolts along the top of the wing. Now this last bolt along the top is normally hidden behind a cover here. You just pull that out and then it's just hidden behind there. And now you need to remove the arch liner. You do really only have to remove half of it, but I'm going to take the whole arch liner out so you can see a little bit better. There's normally 1 bolt down here, 2 bolts here, 1 here, 1 up the top there, 1 there, and 1 down the bottom there. I'm just going to get those undone now. Okay, the arch line has now been removed. There's another bolt just here. You do need to be very careful with it because it does seize in with all the dirt that goes there. So just take it nice and slow getting it off. So just take it nice and slow taking it off. Okay, the final Torx bolt is behind this cover here, just there. But I'm going to take this off to get it out of the way. Make sure you're supporting the wing if this is the last bolt you're undoing, because the wing will fall. Okay, all the bolts are now removed. The wing is now pretty much hanging freely. All that's left to do is to remove the indicator connector. And there you go, all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more how-to videos.